Install the saddle. Take out the quick release screw. Screw out the nut and take care not to lose the spring. Insert the screw into the barrel shaft and screw on the nut. Align the front wheels and install them in place. Tighten the quick release screw. Align the upright rod and insert the front inserting rod. Tighten screws. Adjust the handle properly and close the quick release cover. Tighten the upright screw. Align the arrow and insert the instrument connecting wire. Install the foot pedal. Remove the battery cover. Install the battery. Close the cover plate.